Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing a Polaroid photo charm. So I hope you like this video and let's get right into it. First, let's take some white clay and mold it into a rectangle. So here I am making 3 types of photos so you guys can take the idea. Next, let's make the eyes and then add a pin on the top. Now let's keep that aside and let's start with the photo. For the photo, I have already prepared 3 pieces of rectangle shape in which we are going to paint a simple scene. I'm also using a sponge for the blending. I'm using some glue here to hold the rectangle piece. And for blending the colors, we can take the help of a color wheel and use it. You guys can follow the steps from here. Also, I'm not able to post videos weekly because of the pandemic. I have some time during the lockdown, but since my school has started, it's quite busy here. But I will do my best to post my videos as soon as possible, so you can subscribe and turn on the notification so that you guys will be notified whenever I post a video. After they all are dried and ready, let's paste the triangle piece in which we have prepared before. Use glue to give it a shine and protection. Let it dry and we are done. Hope you'll enjoy this video. Comment what you guys think about this video. Then see you all in an amazing video in the next time. Thank you.